Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate your Wallbox after firmware update step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that your Wallbox is connected to a stable internet connection. Locate the Wallbox app on your smartphone or tablet. Launch the app and sign in with your credentials if prompted. Once logged in, navigate to the settings or dashboard section of the app. Check for any notifications related to the recent firmware update. If prompted, select the option to authenticate your Wallbox. Enter the required details, such as the serial number or device ID. Review the information for accuracy before proceeding. Once confirmed, press the Authenticate button within the app. Wait for the app to communicate with your Wallbox. You may see a progress indicator during the authentication process. If authentication is successful, a confirmation message will appear. In case of an error, review the details and attempt the authentication again. Once authenticated, check if there are any additional settings to configure. Ensure that your Wallbox is functioning correctly after the update. If necessary, restart the Wallbox to finalize the process. Monitor the app for any future notifications or updates regarding your Wallbox. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.